Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at the ARMASPEC ST-45 short throw safety selector. So what this is an ambidextrous safety selector that will rotate 45 degrees instead of the normal 90 degrees, thus short throw. So we can see here on the front here, ARMASPEC Tactical Advantage, got a diagram of the product and the name and description. And if we go ahead and pull everything out of here, you've got the product card, the safety lever itself, and they also provide a torque wrench as well. So you can see here the type of screws to match the torque wrench and the materials used for the lever and the shaft itself. They both feel to be very hard material, but we'll get into that a little bit more detail and as to why I'm not currently using this item. So you can see here it has screws on both sides, so you can determine how you want to set this up with either a short link lever on one side or the longer link lever on another side. You can see here, regardless of which side you put the levers on, only one side of the actual shaft is set up for the detents. And you can see here that they are at a shorter distance than normally would be on a 90-degree throw lever. On a 90-degree throw lever, the detent hole would be directly in line with the lever in this position. But here you can see it will be at a 45-degree angle, the way it's cut here. Now you can see here, there appears to be some material scarring on here. And what happened here is that with a normal detent, it not only cut a channel through the shaft itself, but went and beyond and hopped outside the detent hole and started carving a track around the shaft. So this thing actually turns a full 360 degrees, which is fine if you have a 4-position safety, but it won't lock unless you drill more detent holes. And I actually did consider drilling a 90-degree hole to recover usage of this safety selector, but since the material was soft enough to move out of position this far, that would only be a temporary solution because eventually it would hop that hole and continue gouging through the shaft itself. Thus why I'm not currently using this safety selector. So this is a product example of one. Your mileage may vary, but unfortunately that is what happened with this version. So taking a quick look at the ARMASPEC ST-45 short throw safety selector. And again, this is an example of one. QC and materials change with each production run, so your mileage may vary. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.